Hello everyone, this is Tech Tips and Creativity. We're going to do a simple tutorial on how to remove an object from a photograph taken on an Android phone. This one is a Samsung A54 5G. So if your phone's compatible to do this, this is how you can do it. We're going to take a simple photograph of this mic and then hit the media to open the photograph, and then we're going to hit this pencil in the bottom of the screen to edit the photograph. It will then bring up some options, and the option with the 4 circles on the far left on the bottom of the screen is what we're going to press now. And then it brings up some options again. We see object eraser. So now it will just scan the photograph for a moment, and you can just take your finger and draw around the object that you want to remove. In this case, it's the microphone. And then we're going to hit erase. And it will remove the object. We can hit done. And then we hit save as copy. And that then gives us the option to have both photographs saved when we hit save as copy. So that's just a simple tutorial on how to do this. This is using the Samsung A54 5G, but just checking your camera options or your phone compatibility specifications, etc. If you are able to do this, then that is how you do this very, very clever little trick. Thanks for watching. Speak soon.